Happy snow day, everyone! I hope you guys are staying warm and staying dry. I wanted to start our next little series, which is going to be on Jamboard. We will come back to Zoom, but we're going to be talking more about breakout rooms when we do that, and I wanted to take a break, and I want to show you the functionality and flexibility of Jamboard, which we have available, and it is free to us because it is on Google Suite. The way you access it, you would go to the three dots when you are logged in, and if you scroll down to the More section, you will see it here. It looks kind of like a music note. Jamboard can be used for anything. One of the ways that Roman highlighted using it, and I've been doing it, is to actually help the kids set a sequence for things. So for example, for the writing, when they are working independently, I have set up this Jamboard. On each page there is a phase of writing. So there's the planning phase, the writing phase, the editing phase, the teacher check-in phase, the revising phase, and then the turned in on Google Classroom phase. So something like this, and the kids have done fabulously with the independence. When they finish one section of it, they move their name or they make a new sticky note and they move it to the next one. So it is a very cool tool for that. I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a Jamboard. You'll go to the plus button as if you would on any other Google Suite. And let's say I wanted to rename this as Tech Tuesday Feedback. And I would create 2 sticky notes. You will actually be getting this with the video this week, so you can try it out for yourself. Love them. Keep them coming. No suggestions at this time. Maybe I want to make it pink. And then I would relocate it, want to make it bigger. And then I would make another slide that would then give you the option of some topics I want you to share about are, and then I would move that to the middle like I did for the other one, make it larger. And let's say you wanted to give me something to share about, you would go to the sticky note on the side, or you can put a text box and you could type it in. And let's say I wanted to share, let's say I want to know more about, how to do stations on breakout rooms. I would then leave that there. It could be anonymous, it can be not anonymous, it is up to you, and then this will give me feedback from you that this should be covered. So this is one of the many ways, and I'm going to cover a bunch of other ways we can use Jamboard. As you're filling this in for me, I want you to think about what are some ways you might use it in your classroom like I did for writing. Happy Tuesday, stay warm, and I will hopefully see you on site tomorrow. If not, I will see you in the Zoom world.